Part 2, note down the words meanings. Transmission. Transmission means the act or process of passing something from one person to another. Feather to cape, an achievement to be proud of, an act or deed to one's credit, a distinctive achievement. Third one is credit. Credit is an arrangement that you make with a shop store, for example. Pioneer is a person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of knowledge. Metaphysics, a branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of existence, truth, and knowledge. Philosophy, the study of nature and the meaning of universe and the human life. Discoveries, an act or the process of finding somebody. And graphics, very clear and full of details. Encyclopedia, a book or set of books giving information about all areas of knowledge. Latin, the language of ancient Rome and the official language of its empire. Anatomy, the scientific study of structure of human or animal bodies. These are the words meanings and the question answers. I have sent the pictures. I will send the pictures of question answers in your group. Okay. Next is complete the mind map and write down the summary of lesson Ibn Sina, the great Muslim scientist, in your notebook. You have to write from the lesson the childhood of Ibn Sina, the education and the discoveries of Ibn Sina, and you have also write a descriptive essay on a great Muslim scientist. Okay. These are the respond to each statement by writing an explanation as to why you agree or disagree. Ibn Sina was a great Muslim scientist. Are you agree or not agree? We are agree because he was a great Muslim scientist. His philosophical views have engaged the attention of Western thinkers. Yes, I agree. Muslims world has produced great scientists who had made remarkable contribution to science and technology. Yes, I agree because all the Muslim scientists had a remarkable contribution to science and technology. Okay, it's done and I will send the pics of question answer in your group. Okay.